So again, the first IXL skill is SUD, which is interpreting pictographs. Again, each picture represents a certain number of units or responses. And typically this is given to you as a key. And so you can see here the key says each house is 2 houses and each half house is 1 house. So it says how many houses were sold in New Hamburg. So we look at New Hamburg, again, it shows us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. But I know that each of them is 2 or represents 2 houses. So I'm going to, again, remember when we talked about word problems? If each of these is 2, that means it's 5 times 2, which equals 10 different houses were sold in New Hamburg. So we press submit, and then that's kind of all what these are saying. Now we're going to look at the next type of problem, which is interpreting bar graphs, which is YW8. So it says Ella went on a bird watching trip and jotted down the number of birds that she saw every day. So on Monday, it looks like she saw 10 birds. On Tuesday, it looks like she saw 20 birds. And on Wednesday, it looks like she saw 30 birds. How many birds in total did Ella see on Tuesday and Wednesday? Again, on Tuesday, she saw 20 birds, and on Wednesday, she saw 30 birds. So her total, again, we're going to add those two up, so we get 50. So she saw a total of 50 birds. The next type of problem is based on interpreting line graphs, which is UFX. So this says, before deciding to switch to an unlimited texting plan, Michelle kept track of the number of text messages she received. So if you can see here, again, this is a line graph. So on Friday, if you look, this is Friday, she received 10. On Saturday, she received 5. On Sunday, she received 9. On Monday, she received 4. And then on Tuesday, she received 10 again. So the question says, on which day did Michelle receive exactly 4 text messages? Again, the only time when she received exactly 4 was Monday. So we select Monday, press submit, and then keep it moving. So the last IXL skill is on interpreting line plots, not line graphs. And this is 79C. So it says, Professor Carey looked at the scores from the last quiz. Scores on the last quiz are shown as between 5 and 10. Again, between 5 and 10. And again, each X or each dot, sometimes they're dots, sometimes they're X's, represents a person typically. So this shows us that 3 people scored 5. This shows us that 1 person scored 6. This shows us that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 people scored 10. So then it says how many students scored less than 9? Less than 9. So if I know this is 9, this one right here is 1 more, so it's 10. This one right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one right here is 6. Again, this was 1 and this was 3. Again, the question says how many students scored less than 9? So these people scored 10 and 9, so they don't count. So we're just counting these people. So we had 3 people and another person, so that's 4 people. We add another 6 people, that's 10 people. Then we add 7 people, that's 17 people. So 17 students scored less than 9. Again, if you need help with any of these, please just let me know. We'll have our Zoom call tomorrow at 12 and then again on Thursday at 12 as well. Have a great week.